there's the starter here. There's 3 bolts. One bolt here that connects the ground. And then there's a bolt up there that I took out. And then there's my bit. So for some reason mine were 10 millimeter. I don't know if somebody changed this and put 10 millimeters in there, but yeah, normally they said they were 13, but yeah, like they say, you got to put your ratchet up there separately, put your bit connected, then you can't pull this all down at once. So you got to then disconnect this first before and then bring your bits down separately. But you can get in there, get that top one off first, and then take the second top one off, and then this one's the easiest, so I left that for last. It's on the back side there. And then you got your solenoid. I'm doing the transmission, so I just got to get it unhooked, unbolted, and the ground wire unattached and move it out of the way. So yeah, there's not a lot of room, but that's what it does work. Maybe I'll put the videos who I've seen for that from in the comments.